Chan for Foy, and I'm gonna do all 4 nails. So this is number 52 beige. It go with everything. It is from a Dare to Bear collection, and I'm so obsessed with this color. I think in fact that I have it on my nails. It's so nice and natural looking. And this one I'm using, this is, I believe it is a sky bling and milky white, and then this is the like a version from a sub box this month, December. So today and tomorrow is the last day of the sub box. So that is the colors in the box. I have it right here with me. I'm so excited. So let's get started with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply all Premium Iho Chan for Foy on all 4 nails, and then each of them we're gonna go ahead and cure for only 30 seconds. So if you want to do part of your nails and you don't want to do the full nails, you can definitely also do that too. But this is gonna be really simple designs, and it's like take probably less than 5 minutes to do this. Okay, cure this one 30 seconds. Moving on, again, I am using Premium Iho Chan for Foy. Is only take 30 seconds to cure, and it will transfer all the image for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that one here. A little first right there. Cure this one also for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna apply this one as well. So this is, I did an ombre using Sky Bling and Milky White from Liquid and Powders collections. And 30 seconds. And then also this one will be 30 seconds as well. And then let see what we're gonna do. We're gonna do these 2 colors, and it doesn't matter, we are going to do some Diamond Dust Pixies on it. So I'm gonna take this one as well. And how's everyone doing? Happy Saturday. And then this I'm gonna need this one too because my hands have some cuticle oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer. I like this part, you know. Maybe should I do angle? I like that.
Do straight, maybe on the left side.
Like here?
The other way, like that, a little bit higher.
Yeah?
That's cute.
That's cute, okay. Oh, nice. And give it a good, like, press. Rub it on. And then make sure you are gonna remove and get all of the bubbles. I have a little bubble right here. So make sure you're getting all the bubbles off from that. I don't know why I'm holding that one. Great. I'm gonna do a hole and tie the Diamond Dust Pixie on the top of that. Cool. Get a little bit of bubble here. It's really nice. Try to get it much as possible. Okay. It's really beautiful. And then we're gonna do the next one. How are we gonna do? Oh, this is nice. What should I do? Like that.
Like that.
Like that. Like that.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks really cool, pan though.
This one, you got
Like
a
that.
little red in it. Keep going. Yeah, you good.
I didn't see any red at all.
Yeah, with a corner. Little corner red.
I should do this one. But hey, you can do however you want, okay? Give it a quick rub on this. It will not slippery, because if my finger had the cuticle oil on. Okay, I'm gonna just take it off. Oh, it had a little red in there. That is so beautiful. I like it a lot. This is from this pan, and then this one from this pan. All right, so we continue to do 2 more. And this one, we are going to use, should we get all the colors, like pink?
Maybe let's start with the yellow. Like the yellow, I guess, fiber?
Like this one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yellow, some purple, some blue.
I'm just trying to do different angle right here. Right here, so get a perfect
Yeah,
spot,
yeah,
like
that's
that,
right. Yeah.
right there.
Mm-hmm. That's nice.
See, you can just turn it different way to get perfect the way you wanted it. It doesn't matter if you want all colors in that. You just can just like turn it in different angle. It doesn't have to be just where the foil come from. I mean the direction. You can using it and turn using this like handy tool.
Yeah. Just make sure you do like Nancy. You see Nancy rub it thoroughly. That will ensure that your foil transfer correctly and you don't have any missing spot. If you have missing spot, don't worry. Put it right back on and rub.
You
Like
are
so.
getting a really nice. I like it. Even like you don't want anything else, just leave it alone. It's great. But we're gonna do some cute like we're gonna do some cute diamond dust pixies on. Alright, so I'm gonna do a next one, which is the last one. We did this one for 30 seconds here as well. So I'm gonna go in a different angle.
Maybe you give half the tree.
Half of the tree like this.
Mm-hmm.
And some presents
Yeah.
like this. You never go wrong with this premium Iho shampoo foil. So slippery on my fingers. So rub it. So again, thanks so much everyone for tuning in, and welcome to Glitz Assisting Such Live tutorial. We are doing some cute, quick, fun, like less than 5 minutes designs. I just do all 4 of them. But literally, if you have an idea to do one nails like this, it would take you less than 5 minutes to do. Rub it back in. Alright, so let me show all of this one. From this design is box number 97. And then this one is box foil number 110. And this is the box number 120. This 2. But I'm going to show you the final looks before we are going to do some diamond dust pixie. Here is a look.
And remember, if you want to stop at any point, like right here, put some top coat on and you're good to go. Either matte or shiny.